This is Tutor Rainier and this is Science 10 in 1 minute for quarter 4 week 6. For substances undergoing a chemical reaction, their total mass before a chemical reaction takes place and after a chemical reaction had occurred are the same. In balancing chemical reactions, the number of atoms involved before and after the chemical reaction is conserved. Simply, the number of atoms is conserved. The law of conservation of mass is a scientific law popularized and systematized by the 18th century French chemist Antoine Lavoisier. According to this law, matter cannot be created nor destroyed. It can only be changed. Steps in balancing chemical equation. Step 1. Identify the products and reactants. Remember, reactants are written on the left side of your equation while the products are on the right side. Step 2. Write the number of atoms. Determine how many atoms of each element are present on each side of the equation. Step 3. Add coefficients. A coefficient is a whole number multiplier and they are used to balance chemical equations. They show how many atoms or molecules of a substance are involved in a reaction. To balance a chemical equation, write appropriate coefficients to make sure that the number of atoms on both sides of the arrow is the same. Use the simplest whole number ratio. Step 4. Apply the law of conservation of mass. This is used to get the same number of atoms of every element on each side of the equation. The equation is now balanced. They have the same number of atoms on both sides. This is Tutor Rainier and this is Science 10 in 1 minute for quarter 4 week 6. See you next week.